Hi guys, do castor oil packs really work? I tried this method. It didn't work. Then this one worked. Stay tuned for more. I am Bucky and welcome to Bucky's Touch where we share all our DIYs. What I have here is organic castor oil and I have my face cloth or rag and my hot water bottle. So I'm just gonna demonstrate to you how I used to do it. This was the first method. So I would fold the rag or the face cloth and then add 1 or 2 teaspoons of castor oil and place it on the part of my body where I'm experiencing pain or discomfort, or if I have a growth or whatever, like this. And then I would add hot water in my bottle and make sure that the heat is bearable. The temperature of the water is not very hot, you know. Yeah, but this method didn't work for me. No, my hand had to be there and it was just not very comfortable for me. Maybe it works for you, but it didn't work for me. Yeah. So I decided to go a little further by investing in castor oil packs. I did a little research and I found them, affordable. So this one is for the back or the stomach. And as you can see, the cloth inside is, cloth that can absorb castor oil. It has 2 belts and the outer is black in color. Yeah. So the instructions I got is that you add 1 or 2 teaspoons of castor oil in the center of the castor oil pack. And then I will I will demonstrate so you can see how I was wrapping it around my back or my stomach like this. I mean, just bear with me. I have no one to film it for me. Otherwise, I've demonstrated it on myself. Yeah. So it has 2 little buttons. Yeah, as you can see in the video, it has 2 little buttons. The belts are elasticated, so if you're a slim person, it can still work on your back or your stomach, and if you have a little more size, it would still work because the belts would stretch. It also has a zipper at the back where you can slot your hot water bottle as shown in the video. So I guess you just slot it like that. I think this would work on your stomach. I don't think it would be wise for you to put it, on your back and lie down on it, unless if you're having it during the day. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I also have another piece for the neck. So let's say you are experiencing some tension in your neck or pain. You can also just do the same like with the back or stomach. You add the castor oil and you wrap it like this. This one doesn't have belts. Yep. So this is how it looks. Not bad at all. So this is my honest review. This thing really works. Don't underestimate the power of castor oil. And the castor oil pack makes it even more effective because when you put it on, especially when you're able to put it on and have it on overnight without worrying about it messing your beddings or your nightgown. So, guys, there you go. The power of castor oil. Thank you so much for watching and always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.